Have you ever wondered how a plant could turn into a predator? Welcome to the beguiling world of carnivorous flora, where the usual rules of nature are flipped on their head. Our journey begins with the fascinating pitcher plant, a living paradox in the realm of botany. Their bizarre bulbous form, often mistaken for a benign flower, hides a deadly secret. These are not your typical photosynthesizing plants. Instead, they are crafty hunters, deriving sustenance not from the soil beneath them, but from the unsuspecting insects that dare to venture into their gaping maws. These plants have evolved to thrive in nutrient-poor environments, swapping the traditional green thumb for a more sinister approach. They inhabit a range of habitats, from the steamy jungles of Borneo to the frigid bogs of Canada, exemplifying nature's remarkable adaptability. In the vast kingdom of plants, the carnivorous pitcher plant stands out, a testament to nature's ingenuity. So, how does a plant manage to catch and digest insects, you might ask? Well, it's all a cunning game of attraction and deception. The pitcher plant, a master of disguise, tricks its prey with the promise of sweet nectar. This nectar, irresistible to many insects, is the bait that draws them in. But the feast is not all it seems. The rim of the pitcher is deceptively slippery, a fact the insects discover only when it's too late. Their attempts to escape are futile. The sides of the pitcher are steep and smooth, offering no grip to the struggling insects. They slide down into the belly of the plant, a chamber filled with digestive enzymes. Here, in this botanical stomach, the insects meet their end. The enzymes break down their bodies, transforming them into nutrients that the pitcher plant absorbs. In a twist of the traditional food chain, the unsuspecting insect becomes a meal for the deceptive pitcher plant. Why should we care about these peculiar plants, you might ask? Well, it's simple. Pitcher plants, with their unique insect-trapping abilities, play a vital role in our ecosystem. They act as nature's pest control, keeping insect populations in check. Without them, we could see an explosion of pests that damage crops and spread diseases, but that's not all. These plants also provide miniature ecosystems within their own pitchers, offering a home to a variety of species, from tiny insects to small frogs. It's a world within a world, demonstrating nature's remarkable ability to adapt and thrive. Furthermore, pitcher plants hold potential medicinal value. Their unique compounds may offer new ways to tackle diseases, acting as a natural pharmacy waiting to be discovered. However, these plants face an existential threat due to habitat loss. Every loss is a blow to biodiversity and the delicate balance of nature. In their silent and stealthy way, pitcher plants play a key role in our ecosystem, reminding us of the intricate and unexpected ways nature works.